Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Beauty Indah, a student at University Technocrat Indonesia, Faculty of Economy and Business. In this presentation, I will explain one of the most important topics in statistics, which is measure of central tendency. This topic helps us understand how data can be summarized into a single, meaningful value. Whether we are analyzing economy, trend, business performance, or survey results, knowing how to use the mean, median, and mode allow us to interpret data clearly and make informed decisions. Let's get started by understanding what each measure representation. Learning material. 1. Definition of measure of central tendency. 2. Calculate average. 3. Type of measure of central tendency. 4. Measure of position, quartile, decile, and percentile. 5. Conclusion. Definition of measure of central tendency. Measures of central tendency are values used to describe the central position of a dataset. Using this measure, we can determine a value that represents or approximates the average value of the data. Commonly used measures of central tendency include the arithmetic mean, median, mode, as well as measure of position like quartile, decile, and percentile. 2. Arithmetic mean, population count, sample count, weighted count, grouped data. 3. Type of measure of central tendency. Arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean is the sum of all data value divided by the number of data points. B. Median. The median is the middle value in a dataset that has been ordered if the number of data points is odd. The median is the value in the middle position. If the number of data points is even, the median is the average of the two middle values. G. Mode. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a dataset. 4. Measure of position, quartile, decile, and percentile. In addition to measure of central tendency like the mean, median, and mode, there are also measures of position used to describe the position of specific data point within a distribution. These measures help us understand how the data is spread and where a particular value lies compared to other value in the data distribution. 1. Quartile. Quartile divides the ordered data into 4 equal parts. 2. Decile. Decile divides the ordered data into 10 equal parts. 3. Percentile. Percentile divides the ordered data into equal parts. 5. Conclusion. Measure of central tendency help us understand the average or settled position of a given dataset. The arithmetic mean is used when the data does not have outliers. The median is used for data with a non-symmetrical distribution or when outliers are present, and the mode is used to identify the most frequent value. Meanwhile, measure of position chart as quartile, decile, and percentile provide information about the position of specific data point within the distribution. To summarize, measure of central tendency are essential tools in statistics for describing and imprinting data. The mean serve as the average. The median help identify the central point in a dataset, and the mode tell us the most frequent value. Each of these measures has its own strength and application, depending on the nature of the data. Once again, I am Feby Beauty Indah from University Technocrat Indonesia, Faculty of Economy and Business. Thank you for attention, and I hope this presentation was useful and informative for you all. Bye bye.